In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to create a new page in your blog. As you start to develop your blog, there are certain pages that you'll need to create, such as the page that's about the curriculum area that you're investigating, the page that is about the research area that you're investigating, and also the page where your literature review about PLNs is going to be housed. So a page is slightly different to a post, which is the function we had a look at in the last video tutorial, in that a page doesn't get posted onto your home page of your blog. It actually sits behind the rest of your blog. So it's actually an area where you can add content. So if you have a look at the screen now, you'll see we've actually got 3 pages that have already been added to this particular blog. They're called About PLNs, Developing Your PLN, and Video Tutorials. So they are actually pages that sit behind the main home page. In order to create a page, it's very much like creating a new post. If you go back to your dashboard, and in the menu on the left-hand side, you'll see that there is an option called Pages. If once again you just click on the little down arrow and click on Add New. And this particular page, I'm going to use for my particular area of interest within the curriculum. So I'm going to call it Curriculum. And I'm just going to put a little note in the page to explain to myself what the page is going to be for. And that's all I want to put in there for the moment. Obviously there are other things we can add to it, but as is the case with creating a new post, we'll have a look at those a little bit later on. So I'm now going to go to the right hand side of my screen and I'm going to publish that. And then when I go back to my home page by clicking on the name of my blog just here at the top left of the screen, you will now see on the pages in the menu bar that I've got a new one called Curriculum. Now, unfortunately, you can't control the position of a page, so it's done alphabetically, which is a slight irritation, but I'm sure we'll get over that one. But every time you create a new page, it actually starts to build them up here in the menu.